Hey, Paul Maher, you can buy money. Did you know that? You can pay 300,000 to buy $1.2 million of cash payments for someone else to pay if you get sick or you have a chronic illness or long-term care. We like to profile products that are really like important to people age 55 to age 70 something years old. This happens to be a real case that we just did for somebody because long-term care is a big worry and sickness is a big worry, but everybody loves a money back guarantee. This client had about 300,000, but they just gone through a series of family health issues, kind of highlights the needs of long-term care. So let's just think about long-term nursing care insurance. It's a troubled industry. There's very famous failures like John Hancock that had to like triple their premiums on clients that bought the policies 50 years ago. And this is problematic. If you buy something, this is like an insurance timeshare for crying out loud. You're paying $10,000 a year for 20 or 30 years and they raise your premium to 20,000. I mean, what are you going to do? Give up all the money you paid, not have coverage? This is really rotten, but it's in the contract that they can do that. So we're not fans of traditional long-term care. Let's just talk about something that's simple. It's a single deposit. It's easy to qualify for. And here's the best part. It's got a money back guarantee. So if you are the kind of person that would normally buy a certificate and put a couple 100,000 of your money away for safety somewhere, this is for you. Because if you move money from your savings or some safe house and put it into one of these single deposit insured certificates, you could take 300,000, like the case we just did, and turn it into 1.2 million of long-term care payments during your lifetime. Once you put that money in, you don't pay them, they pay you. You actually earn some interest on the money. That's a good thing. Now, they're not like trying to put the money in the stock market. Think of it more like money in your checking account, making a little interest. If you buy one of these things, make sure you deep with a really good company. It's got great financials. It's really easy to find out which companies are good at this. If you put down, say, 300,000, in the event that you change your mind, they're 90 to 100% refundable. You just get all your money back, like as a bailout. If you happen to die, they're usually 100% paid back to the estate. However, the day that you do need care, you pull the trigger on this and it starts paying monthly, just like it would pay monthly out of a long-term care policy for home care, for institutional care. However, the numbers that they pay out is way more than what you have put on deposit. And that's what we call leverage. So this is the way you buy dollars. When you put your single deposit into something that's going to pay 4 times what you put it into, and give you a money back guarantee. To find out more about how you can buy dollars to cover you and yet be able to get your money back, reach out to us, leave a comment below, share this with any of your friends that are like 50 to 70 years old. This could be the product that takes all the long-term care worry out of your financial and estate planning agenda. If you read my book on smart financial longevity planning, you'll find this. I think it's in chapter 14. Subscribe to the channel, stay in touch. So I'll see you again next time on Smart Financial. Staying on top of this stuff is just part of the art of being smart.